Hello, it's a pleasure having you back. Welcome. Today we'll be talking about how to make our baby oil. You know, for those of us that love do DIY, do it yourself, I mean. Today we'll be talking about how we can make a newborn baby oil, something we can rub on the skin of our baby without having any fear of reaction or any negative. Simple, just a simple mixing of one or two things together and we're there. My name is Olutayo, as some of you may know. If you are a newbie, kindly subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumb up, as this will give me better chance to make more productions as this one you are watching. Let's go straight into the practical. And welcome back to today's video. Here is my mineral oil. You know, mineral oil, some people refer to it as paraffin oil. The paraffin oil can be used like this to rub our skin. We use it to make our Vaseline. We can use it to make our body lotion. It all depends on the quality, the cost implication, and the purpose of the Vaseline or the body lotion you are making. So Vaseline is body friendly. Also, we have our tea tree oil. You know, you can read up on tea tree oil. It's very good for our skin. I'll be adding it into this oil mixture. Also, we have our eucalyptus oil. Actually, I'm not here to advertise any product. There's a particular product that is called silver bed. So hot that we usually add just a little of it into our baby oil so that they can put it on their hair, not to make any rashes or anything come into their hair. So this is a 2-in-1 video. You will agree with me that if you add the eucalyptus oil into your oil, then we have a baby oil already. You don't need to add fragrance. You don't need to add any other thing. The moment you have this, you pour in your tea tree oil into this, you mix it thoroughly, your baby oil is packaged into different containers and you are good to go. However, I'll be adding in eucalyptus oil into this production today, so that this baby oil, especially for the hair, you know, or maybe when the weather is very cold, we can put a drop on our baby's foot and rub it thoroughly. We can put a drop on our baby's hair and rub it in gently, and we can be sure that the baby will be out of danger of cold or catarrh. Now, going straight into the mixing. Here is my tea tree oil. I'm using 20 ml of my tea tree oil. I'm adding it straight into my paraffin oil or mineral oil. I am using 450 ml of my paraffin oil. This container is 500 ml. So here is 450 ml of my paraffin oil. I added 20 ml of my tea tree oil, and I'll be adding in 30 ml of my eucalyptus oil. So it's well diluted. It's not going to be too hot for the baby. It's not going to be, even adults can use it. Those of us adults that just want to prevent cold, maybe for other elderly children, we are thinking in our mind that we should prevent cold. This will go a long way. So you can see, if you can see this very well, initially this oil was looking a little bit more transparent than this, but right now it's having a cloudy look. Never mind, this is perfect to our babies, for their hair, for their food. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a simple recipe that you can mix at home and you can enjoy the use. Now this 500 ml can be used for a family of 5 for more than a whole year. It's just simple. Even the prices of these things that I've used, they are not expensive. It's something you can do in your house. You can package it into small containers, give family members. If you love what you have just watched, or you have benefited in any way by tuning to this channel, kindly give this video a thumb up. Kindly share the video, subscribe to this channel, so that you will be able to benefit from other content we'll be posting on this channel. Thank you for watching.